Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. So grab you a cup of coffee. Oh, it's cold here in Arkansas. Oh, but I love it. I love the cold. So I'd like to say thank you to everyone that's leaving me the comments and all the great ideas and things that you have of the things that I talk about. I appreciate that very much. You guys make my life a lot easier. Diana Garms, she is the winner of the Stringy Ding Ding Fish in the Sea crochet pattern book. Diana Garms, you still need to get a hold of me. I haven't heard from you yet. Send me an email, and my email is in the description box below. And I'd like to say thank you for some new members that I have to my channel. I would just want to say thank you so much. We have Nancy, which she's got yarn too. Karen and Yaya Loves Crochet. Jan and Autumn. Thank you guys so much for joining my channel. I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And it's really going to help me with my channel, supporting my channel. And I just want to say thank you for that. Okay, what else do I have? Oh yeah, I was going to tell you that the reason I'm wearing the turkey hat is because I wanted to tell everyone happy Thanksgiving, because today I will be putting this video out, of course, and then Wednesday I will have the tutorial on how to make these little baskets right here. There's one of them, and here's another one. So I've got that Wednesday, and then Thursday is Thanksgiving. So it's time to gobble, gobble, gobble. Okay. So yeah, and I was also going to tell you, I just figured out last night. Oh my gosh. I was sitting there and I was like thinking of Thanksgiving, and we're going to my daughter's house this year. And I was sitting there thinking, we're going to look so cute in our little turkey hats when we take our pictures and stuff and making memories, you know. And it's my daughter's first time to host Thanksgiving at her house. So it's just really exciting for her and for us, you know, for all of us. Well, I got thinking, there's two people that's going to be there that she invited, and we're all going to have our turkey hats. And I was like, you know, I don't want them feeling left out. So I'm going to make them some turkey hats. But I just discovered it almost like probably 9 o'clock last night or something like that. And when it just hit me. And so yeah, so I'm making them. I made this one last night before I went to bed. I still have to put the trim around it. All I did, I knew I wouldn't get much done. So all I did is I just ran into my yarn room and found some yarn I thought would work for the hat. I really wish I had some more of this, but I didn't. But it's okay. This one will work just fine. And so I'm going to make both of theirs in these colors. And I'm going to get this done today so that, or I don't know. I've got a hair appointment. My mom is 82 today. Happy birthday, Mom. So, yeah, I don't know what I'll get done today. But I'm going to at least get them done by Wednesday so that when I go over there Thursday, they will be done. Especially since the tutorial for the basket is already done. I don't have to get up and do a video tomorrow. I can just edit the basket. So, yeah, I should get this done. All right, so, yeah, I'm going to make 2 of those. And then this one's my husband's. And then this one's mine. So I'm going to have to wash their hats before I put their little goodies on, because our yarn is real soft and their yarn is the Red Heart. It's a little rough feeling. So, so I'm going to have to throw these in the wash before. Well, I can probably still put these on it. I just don't want to put the pom-pom on it probably, since I just tie the pom-pom on the inside. But anyway, so let's just move on and see what else. I'm going to show you a little bit of the 2 baskets, and I'm going to show you some Happy Mail. And so yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at that. So this Happy Mail that I received is from Doris from the Rose Cottage Studio. And she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful skeins of this Premier Ever Soft. And boy, is it ever soft. Let's see. It says it's 270 yards. It's 100% acrylic, and it's a medium 4-weight yarn. And the color on this is teal. And yes, it is very soft. Doris, I just want you to know how much I appreciate this. I love this yarn. I love the color. And it is very soft. Yeah, it's beautiful. So, yeah, Doris does have a YouTube channel. She doesn't have content on it, but she does post on her community page and to let guys know about sales going on and different things that's going on in the crochet community. So if you haven't subscribed to Doris from the Rose Cottage Studio, I will leave her link below. Just click on that link and go show her some love. So thank you once again, Doris. Thank you so much for this. I appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. I love this yarn. Okay, so here is the basket, and it is mostly done. It is done with all single crochet, so a beginner can do this. It's just simple basket. It's got a handle on each side. It's got a little flat bottom here, of course. And I just wanted to tell you what yarn that I use for this so that you can be ready for tomorrow's tutorial. I am using an L, that's a 8.0 millimeter hook. This beautiful turquoise color is 100% big twist, value 380 yards. You can get this from Joann's. That is if you want to use these colors. You know you can use any colors that you want. And you can use them all the same color. They don't have to be 3 different colors like I've done mine. It can be just 3 solid colors, however you want to do it. But yeah, it's a medium 4-weight. The color on this is called Sapphire. And this was a brand new skein, and this is how much I had left. So it doesn't take that much. All right. Okay, so for the next one, we have Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo. This was a brand new skein. I have a lot left, so you would probably just need just a small one. But this is what I had mine in, was in a jumbo. And I used the Ron. This should be a medium 4-weight, 100% acrylic. Yeah. Okay, so for this gold color, I got this at Michael's. I just happened to have this in my yarn stash over here. And it was Craft Smart Never Enough yarn. And this is, the color I think is just gold. Yeah, it's just gold. And as you can tell, once again, it didn't really take that much. I have all this left. And this was 716 yards. So yeah, that's a lot. So I hope you guys look forward to doing this. Be sure you have the bell clicked on the YouTube channel so that you'll be notified when this comes out. And of course, I'll be posting all over social media. You know me. So yeah, and there's the inside. So I'm going to use mine for yarn. Okay, here's the other one that I made, and I made this one to be like a little toy basket. And I just used, I believe all of this is big twist yarn, and it's a dark blue, a baby blue, and a white mixture to do that. And yeah, and I just did this one to put toys in it, and they can pick it up by the handles and put this around. So yeah. Okay, so I just want to say thank you to Doris for this beautiful yarn right here from Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you so much for that. And I would like to say, be sure and tap the bell to get notified of the baskets. And yeah, I just want to tell everybody happy Thanksgiving. And so I'd just like to say, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Gobble, gobble. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.